This is the Bass Pro Shop 19-pound folding box anchor. This is what it looks like right here. I just took out of the packaging. This is the box that it comes in right here. It's shipped really nice, and it was in the styrofoam right here. This is a really heavy-duty boat anchor. This is what it comes with right here. This is like the little like thing that was like zip tied to it. Just tells you about the anchor, but it just clips in right here. Once you take the spring-loaded mechanism on, it just collapses flat. But you could just see here, this is made really nice. The welds are really good on here. This part is made really nice. It's just a really nice overall anchor. I like the fact that these teeth in here, this is exactly what I was looking for in a boat anchor. I did a lot of research from the different brands and everything, and Bass Pro had a really good one. And again, this is the quad anchor here. It's the folding trap type anchor, square shape. So you see it's got these large teeth on here, 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom right here. I spoke to a lot of people about anchors, and this is the one that everyone recommends. So if you're looking for the Bass Pro Shop anchor here, this is definitely what you're gonna get.